Okay, we have just entered to the house. Here's the front door. Okay, this is outside. Just walked in here. To our immediate right, we have a coat closet. And then this is the first thing you see when you come in. Notice the hardwood floor. Goes into the dining room here, and then of course it goes into the foyer. Here's the dining room itself. And we're going to go through the dining room into the living room, or the kitchen, excuse me. So here we are, nice hardwood floors into the kitchen. Extra long cabinets. And there's the kitchen. Now I'm going to stop this video here and we're going to go through the living room.